Just some helps for lesson 5 here in Religion 225. Hope you're all having a great week here in Idaho. It's been a very cold, wintry couple of weeks. So, anyway, I just thought I would give you some more help for this week. And maybe if you're shut in the house and working on your grades, or you mean your classwork, you'll be able to do it fast. And then maybe you can get out on a ski hill or play in the snow or whatever it might be. Might as well embrace the cold weather if you're in Idaho. Maybe you're in a nice warm spot, and then bless your heart, that's wonderful. Anyway, here's a couple of things for this week that might help you. This is a fairly simple week to get things moving. If I can get my computer warmed up, it might be froze as well. Again, we're continuing here our studies of the Articles of Faith 3 and 4. Lesson truths here. Salvation for the dead and applying the atonement. The learning goal focus is becoming a gospel scholar, and you report your efforts on that in the weekly report. So just read every word of this part and you should be fine. Again, you have the key preparation materials here, the supplemental readings, key preparation materials for the second part here, and the supplemental readings. First discussion board post, second discussion board post. Remember, this is due by Tuesday, and then last one is due at least by Saturday. But try and make some conversation inside the course. That's wonderful. Then, of course, right here you have the summary paper, and I think you've seen that before. End of week reporting. Submit your report here. Now, there is some confusion because this class has been messed up by the programmers and it's not right. So the first assignment from your synthesis group, and they're calling it, they've changed the name to this term to call it a checkpoint assignment, is due this week. Even though some of the instructions said last week, it's due this week in the grade book. So some might have tried to do this earlier. If it's not in here, it's not bound into this in this set of instructions. So the way you find that is you come up here to assignments, and you can come down here and find checkpoint assignment number 1. Now, it only needs to be submitted by one of your group, and when you submit it, it gets posted to everyone. When I go to grade it. So whoever your group leader is, decide who's going to submit the checkpoint assignment from the instructions that were given, and it should go in there. Now, there's a lot of things this program should do, but sometimes it doesn't. So if there's a problem, let me know. As you can tell, I don't seem to get too stressed out about these kind of things, and so I don't want you stressed out about it either. Just do your very best to get it in, and it'll be fine. So this right here says it's due the 28th of January as well. Anyway, this whole thing is messed up, so we just decided to push the checkpoint assignments to the last due date that it was showing in the instructions. So it also shows up that way in the grade book for me, and so that's where we pushed it. So anyway, if you have questions about that, submit that first checkpoint assignment and get it done. The instructions were from a couple of weeks ago, so you can go back and find that of what you need to do and what that should look like. And if you have questions, let me know. I want to help. I want you to do well. So I'd like everybody to get an A. So a couple things people are still forgetting a little bit about: posting by Tuesday night and word counts. So remember, those discussion board posts need to be a topic to your first one. You need one of those 3 topics that are also in those instructions. So read those and you should be good. Anyway, hope you have a great week. Give me a jingle or drop me a line if you have a question. Thanks.